Okay, here's the picture off the internet. This is the one I'm thinking that needs to be replaced, but it don't have this can on it here at all. It only has the two little prongs in there with a little fine wire that used to be wound around it. But it don't look like it plugs in. Maybe I need to pry it with a screwdriver, get the old stuff out. Since it don't have the can, I can grab a hold and pull it out. So this is what I'm thinking. And this is similar to the one in the truck. It looks similar to it. All right, I'm gonna go to another picture now and we'll look at it. Now this is the ones in the truck right here. That's the one I just showed you with the can on it. And I believe it didn't have no can here, but I believe I can prise that out. If I prise it out, I'll probably have two slots, look like a slot here and a slot there. I can prise it out, so that should pop out, and that way one of these with the can on it will go back in there. And I think that's my main problem right there. So I wanted you to look at it and see, but I believe that's it since I done studied on it some more. So, okay, I'm gonna go to the porch that I'm working on with the burn oil. Of course, this is another view of the one on the truck, just farther distance out so you can see the whole thing more completely. So this is your buzzer up here, and this is your bell or whatever. And this is your one-way flasher, or either the emergency four-way flashes, your regular flashes. And of course, this is the piece that I think I need to prise out. But I just couldn't see it good enough where I was looking at it. So, but I think that's what it is, since I took the camera, was able to look at it better with the camera on the screen. All right, now let's go to the porch. This is the porch that I just did this morning with the burn oil. And boy, it really brought out these pieces back over here. Excuse me. These pieces right over here are all buckling up and coming apart. And I put that oil all on it right here. I just poured the oil out and used my brush to go up and down through there. Which is, I mean, this is a little nasty to come out of the bottom of that bucket that had the oil in it. So I might be able to put some more oil over there to cover it up, because some nasty thing there. But it made everything look better. I'm wondering if I could get some oil-based now paint this color and go back and paint it again, since it's got oil in the board. I don't know why oil-based paint probably wouldn't work. So I want your opinion on that. All right, here we go to the next one. This is the doorstep and all. This is the plain wood and everything, how it looked before I put in the oil on it. I wanted to show the porch to you, but I forgot to take a picture before I put the oil on it. So, but anyway, this is the original before I put the oil on it. And that's about all going on. The main thing I wanted to show you was this right here. So, all right, adios, old buddy. Have a big time and enjoy yourself and get all the rest you can. And don't forget to soak your feet. See ya.